In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sounds to Discord Soundboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, how to upload your clips, and how to play them in a call so everyone can hear. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want to add sounds. At the very top left, click the server name. This opens a menu with options specific to that server. From here, select Server Settings. You'll be taken to the Settings panel where all the server's tools live. In the Settings sidebar, look for Soundboard. Click it to open the Soundboard management page. This is where you'll add and organize your audio clips. If you don't see Soundboard, it may be hidden by permissions. In that case, an admin on the server would need to grant access. Assuming you see it, you're ready to go. Inside the Soundboard page, click Upload Sound. A file picker will pop up so you can choose an audio file from your computer. Select the clip you want to use, then give it a clear, memorable name. Short, descriptive names make it faster to find the right sound later, especially if your server has a lot of clips. When you're happy with it, click Upload. That's it. Your sound is now part of the server's soundboard. A quick tip as you choose files. Shorter clips usually work best, and common formats like MP3, WAV, or OGG are ideal. Keep the audio clean and at a comfortable volume so it doesn't blast your friends' ears. If your upload doesn't go through, check the file size or try a different format. Now it's time to use your sounds. Join a voice call in that server. Once you're in the call, open the soundboard from the call interface. You'll see the sounds that have been added, including the one you just uploaded. Click the sound to play it, and everyone in the voice channel will hear it. If your server has a lot of sounds, the search bar and names you chose earlier will help you find the right clip fast. That's all there is to it. Click the server name, open server settings, go to Soundboard, upload your audio, name it, and then play it in a call. Keep your clips short, respectful, and fun so everyone enjoys the experience. Thanks for watching, and have a great time customizing your server's soundboard.